Sources are telling your channel that the Corporate Affairs Minister now has rejected the CBI's plea to start the probe against the former secretary in the Colgate scam. Now, the former secretary H.C. Gupta, a crucial link in the alleged irregularities in allocation of coal mines when Prime Minister Manmohan Singh held charge of the portfolio. And in the recent development coming forward now, the Corporate Affairs Minister has rejected the CBI's plea. Now, Poonam, what is the reason that the Corporate Affairs Minister here has given? And the point here is, what does Gupta know that perhaps the Prime Minister and the government wants to hide?
Well, the CBI sent an application that is under Section 6, in which the CBI needs to take permission from the concerned ministry to start a probe if the person happens to be Joint Secretary and above level officer. So in this case, Mr. Gupta, since he was holding such a senior post in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, the CBI sent an application to start the probe against him, but that was rejected. CBI is not clarifying on what ground was it rejected, but certainly they have said that questioning Mr. Gupta, and also maybe later on after questioning they may have found certain evidence which would have been crucial for them to start the investigation. But now, since the plea has been rejected, it will act as a big deterrent for them to continue the probe in coal scam, because Mr. Gupta has served in the coal ministry also during the specific tenure that he has served is now under CBI's investigation. So they want to know whether some of the coal blocks which were allocated during his tenure, whether proper procedure were followed or not. So that is the main reason why they wanted to start a probe. But since this has been rejected, CBI may not be able to further go ahead with the investigation against Mr. Gupta.
Right, and Poonam, we've all seen how the former Law Minister Ashwini Kumar in fact lost his job over diluting a status report on Colgate, which was meant actually for the Supreme Court scrutiny. Now, this move by the government, does it not then amount to stonewalling the CBI, and will it not create a new controversy?
Well, it certainly could be a new controversy, because again, CBI is not able to gather certain important information which is required to investigate by the CBI, and since he will not be questioned, certain area will not be touched by the CBI. So, of course, it's a big deterrent for them, since they have sent an application under 6A to question and start the probe against Mr. Gupta. It itself speaks about the fact that they have found certain evidences during the investigation against Mr. Gupta, which they need to clarify. So, with this rejection by the minister...
All right, Poonam, I'm going to come back to you. Jogendra Singh, the former CBI director, is joining us on the phone line. Good morning, sir. How would you want to react to this recent move coming in from the government, where the Corporate Affairs Minister now has rejected CBI's plea? Mr. Jogendra Singh, I was wanting to know your first reaction to the fact that the Corporate Affairs Minister now has rejected the CBI's plea to start a probe against a former secretary in the Colgate scam.
He said stop the probe. He is nobody. If he has said stop the probe, the Supreme Court order, he will be committing contempt of court. Kindly check the content of your news here, because I don't Minister can tell the CBI stop the probe. In any case, CBI is not bound to pay. And thirdly, the Supreme Court, the final one which is overseeing this case. So, I should really check the veracity, because however novice a minister may be, he cannot be that, I would say, absurd that he say asking the CBI to defy Supreme Court orders. It is just not done, just not possible. So,
right then.
Yes, please.
Right, so Mr. Jogendra Singh, now what option does the CBI have? Because remember, it's a very crucial link in this entire scam.
No, point is here, the CBI has the full authority under the Criminal Procedure Code to summon this man. If he doesn't come, then have his warrants issued and produce him.